Right, you've seen the outside of the boat. Now we're going to go up on top and check out inside. So I have the door open. As you can see, it's dirty. So this is the inside. It is messy, it is warm. I need to change all the interiors, clean it out. Yeah, so it's nice. It's very old. So that's the inside of it, and yeah, there's a bit of stripping. I don't like cutting, but I will. I'll have to do something with it. Sand down all the wood, varnish. There's going to be a lot of work in this. Fiberglassing the hull, which a friend of mine will be doing, who specialises in that. Yeah, just basically restoring an old boat, which isn't in too bad a condition, but it's just dated. It needs maintenance. Yeah, so I'll be trying my best. So the reason I started this channel for these videos is because I know nothing about boating. I don't know what to look for, how to fix them, how to sail them. So tried looking on YouTube. There is videos on sailing and bits and pieces, but for a complete novice there's not much, and I just said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just getting advice from friends and colleagues, and I'm learning as I go. So while I'm learning, I hope to be able to teach you some tips, tricks that I've learned from people who know what they're doing. And yeah, I hope you'll continue to follow me on my journey.